Hey everyone, good morning. It's the week of April 6th, and we have school today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. So 3 days, and then I'm expecting you can take a little break. I want you to keep working on watching those videos and answering the multiple choice questions. Those are due April 8th. Deadline is April 17th, the end of the quarter. I wanted to show you the pan balance activity. So let's go and take a look there. Right, so just remember you can find all of your assignments under classwork, and it says the due dates next to them. And I'm going to go to balance the shapes today. Okay, it says find the value of the shapes or variables that will balance the scale. Try to take a screenshot when you find all the values and attach that for this assignment when you submit it. There are 6 sets. If you're having problems with this screenshot capture, I've had a couple people just put in the values that they found for each shape. All right, let's view this assignment. Please also, what I see is that 2 people have turned in and 10 people have been assigned it. But more people have done this assignment than what it says. You just need to press submit when you're done. And see, I got a couple screenshots in there. Very nice. All right. This activity, the objective is to build up to algebraic thinking by exploring the balance tool using shapes of unknown weight. Challenge yourself to find the weight of each shape in one of 6 built-in sets or a random set. All right, so this is just like the videos where we've been talking about equations as a balance or a scale where each side is equal to each other. That's what that equal sign is. Basically, you have 2 expressions, they're equal to each other. In this case, we don't know how much the square weighs. Maybe it weighs the same amount as the blue. No, it looks like the blue is worth more than the square. Maybe if the blue is like 1, no, if the square is like 1, maybe blue is worth 2 squares is worth 2. See, once they're equal, 2 squares equals a blue. My guess, I'm going to keep track over here, is that we're going to say that the red square for right now equals 1, which would mean that the blue circle equals 2 squares or 2 as a circle, right? Okay, let's keep going. I'm going to reset my balance. Okay, I'm assuming that the square is 1. That's my assumption that I'm making to figure everything else out. My bad. Okay, so I'm going to put a triangle down. All right, and let's put down 1 square. Okay, let's try a second square. It's not even moving. A third square. All right, so the triangle equals 3 squares or 3. All right, we will reset our balance and try and figure out how much diamond is worth. Okay, each square is worth 1. 1, oh, the diamond is worth 1. All right, we could also make some pretty interesting combinations because like 1 plus 2 is 3. So I could say that a diamond plus a circle plus a square is equal to a square plus a triangle. Should be anyway. Yep. Because 1 plus 3 equals 1 plus 2 plus 1. We can make any combination we want, but all we really needed was to know the value of each shape. So now that we know that, we can guess the weights, see if we're right. Okay, so yes, a square is worth 1. The circle is 2. The triangle is 3. The diamond is 1. Let me at least erase this so we can see it. And then we will go ahead and check. And it says that all of them are right. If one of them was wrong, it would tell us, and we can go back and we can change it. Then you would need to take a picture or a snapshot. So I have a snipping tool that I use on my computer. You can go ahead and take a picture. And then when you go to submit your assignment, you can attach that. Go ahead and close it. And then you can go on to the next set. I'm gonna do one more so you can kind of see what I'm doing. And you can try out any combination you want. Like obviously a circle and a circle are equal to each other. That just doesn't help you figure anything out. Triangle, let's see, diamond. So this means that the triangle weighs more than the diamond. So how many diamonds is one triangle? Looks like a triangle equals 2 diamonds. Let's see, how do we, yeah, you can just click on the shape to go away. All right, I could, of course, add a square to each side and they would be the same. That just doesn't help us figure out the value of or the weight of each shape. So let's get rid of that one. And that one. All right, so the square is heavier than 2 diamonds. Let's add another diamond. Let's add another diamond. Okay, so the triangle is worth 2 diamonds. The square is worth 4 diamonds. I guess how many diamonds is a circle? Ooh, let's see. 4 diamonds is too heavy. 3 diamonds. So in this case, we're going to say that the diamond is 1. If the diamond is worth 1, then the triangle is worth 2. The circle is worth 3. And the square is worth 4. Let's guess the weights. Yep, they are setting the diamond as 1. The triangle is 2. Circle is 3. Square is 4. And then we'll check. And they're all right. Let's save this shot. Okay, I can put that in classroom too. So there's 6 sets. Give it a try for all 6. But that's how you use the scale to figure out the weight of each shape. So in this case, we don't have expressions. I could totally use variables here and say that C, we'll say C for circle equals 3 diamonds. Yeah, it's the same thing. You can use shapes, you can use the variables. Those variables just represent an unknown quantity. What we did find out was that the circle was worth 3 because 3 times 1, they are equal to each other. Right, that's it for the pan balance activity. I hope you like it. Let me know if you're still having problems. Okay, bye.